I still can't stop listening to Pop Smoke's new album, Shoot for the Stars, Aim for the Moon. This is the third video I'm doing on this album. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to play For the Night. So if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe, because I'm definitely going to be doing more songs from this album. Enjoy. This entire song is made up of 2 bar chords, the first of which is a C sharp minor bar chord. So you're going to bar the 9th fret with your index finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the D string. And then the second chord is an F sharp minor. So you're going to bar the 9th fret from the A string with your index finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string. So all put together, it sounds like this. So what he's doing here is, instead of strumming the chords, he's playing an arpeggio, which means he's playing one note at a time. So starting on the F sharp minor chord, we're going to play the 9th fret of the A string. Then we're going to place our pinky on the 12th fret of the A string. Then we're going to play the rest of the chord. Then on the second time doing that, we're going to go down to the 9th fret of the B string from the 10th fret to get ready to go into the C sharp minor chord, and we're going to do the same thing there. Except we're going down to the 8th fret from the 9th fret instead of the 10th fret to the 9th fret. And that's it for the night. Like I mentioned, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. Please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. And subscribe, because I have more songs from this album coming up. Thanks.